This is a 9-in-1 accessory set for a Nintendo Switch 2, and the brand sent this over for me to try. This thing is awesome. So this thing is really cool. It comes with a bunch of things. So it comes with this awesome clear protective cover for the Switch 2. It fits really, really nicely right on the Switch. It's definitely for playing in handheld mode because you can't detach the Joy Cons with this on, but definitely feels nice in the hand. And I also love that you can pop the kickstand up and still use the kickstand while you have the case on. It will also fit inside of the Switch 2 dock while it has the cover on, which is really fantastic. So, really like that, the inclusion of that. The next thing that I really, really like is the inclusion of these cool peripherals. So, it comes with two of these Joy-Con like controller peripherals. The Joy-Con snap in, so you can play in this kind of Joy-Con horizontal mode, and it makes it feel like a real controller. So, it's extremely comfortable to hold in your hand. The L and R buttons up here work really, really well, and they feel like you can feel them. They're clicky, like when you hit them. So they feel great in the hand. So it comes with two of these, and then it also comes with this fun steering wheel accessory that's kind of a similar idea. The Joy-Con just fits in here like that, and it's a similar thing. It still has the two buttons here in the back, but it's more like a steering wheel for those games where you're doing motion control. So that's really fun, and it comes with two of these. That's just a fantastic thing. The next thing that it comes with that I really like is this charging dock for your Joy Cons. You can see the red and the blue here, and it comes with a USB-C port right here. You just plug a USB-C cable right into that, and then this thing will charge your Joy Cons. So you just pop your Joy Cons in, they just click in really nice. It holds them right in and charges them while they sit there. So this is a fantastic item as well. So really like that. Next, it comes with a little dock for the Switch 2. This is just a power dock, so it doesn't connect to a TV. But I think that's great if you want to charge it while you're playing, with your Joy Cons or a separate wireless controller. And this just slides right into the little USB port right here, and then it just holds your Switch up like so. So you can pop your Joy Cons off, right, and play while you are charging your Switch. So that's a really, really nice addition. I really like that. Next, it comes with a couple of screen protectors, which is just fantastic. These are really nice screen protectors. You can see here they fit perfectly on the screen, and they just feel like a really nice quality screen protector on that. So that's a really, really nice addition. It also comes with two installation kits for those. So that's really helpful. It also comes with these padded little nubs that go over your Joy-Con controllers that makes them feel nice and soft, which is really great. It comes with this Switch cartridge case, which is just fantastic. So this unsnaps. You open this up, and it has a bunch of spots for, Switch game cartridges. So you can slide a cartridge in there, just like that. They snap in. They hold really snugly, so you don't really have to worry about them like popping out. They just hold really nice. So this is a really nice add to keep your cartridges in a safe place. So I really like that. And then it comes with this really nice travel case as well that unzips here, and you just slide your Switch 2 right here under these straps to kind of hold it in place. Let me slide these in really quick. So you just kind of hold your Switch 2 in. So that's really, really nice for that. So, and then it also has, I should mention, a nice little mesh storage area up here for, other accessories that you might want to bring with you, like cables or something like that. So yeah, overall, there's just a bunch of stuff in this case, or in this accessory kit, excuse me. And the last thing, it does come with a USB C to either hook up to the little mini dock here for charging the Switch, like you talked about, or for plugging into your Joy-Con charger. So if you're looking for an awesome accessory kit for your Switch 2 that just has a bunch of fun accessories to help deck out your new console, I think this is an awesome choice. I want to say thank you so much to the brand for sending it to me to try. I think this is a great little kit, and I would highly recommend it.